when you need a combustible gas leak detector with a ppm readout, parts per million, for those of you who aren't enlightened, but you're a poor. So we're gonna see how this thing does. Got a gas leak in here. It's been tagged by the gas company. And I'm gonna get up there, see if we can't find it. I can smell it, and I'm not picking anything up yet though, so not looking too good. Alright, so we're a little bit of ways away from it. Not picking anything up. As you can see, that's our leak. It's been tagged by the gas company. Can't pick up. Seems to work. Can't really complain. Alright, so here we've got the same leak, and we are going to try it with the Infocon Gas Mate, which I have not had the best luck with. Put it right in the same spot, and as you can see, we're on medium high, whatever you want to call it, sensitivity. There we go. Now we're finally starting to pick up something. My nose is literally better than this thing. Put it on high sensitivity. Yeah, and now it detects it. Good luck pinpointing anything though. See how long it takes for this to settle down. Okay, we finally went down. Okay. I've never been a big fan of the whole high sensitivity, low sensitivity setting. I would much rather see something in a numbered format. That's why I'm a fan of the Tech refrigerant leak detector. See, now we finally pick something up, but only on the highest sensitivity level, which a lot of guys, from my experience, don't even use. They will only use it on the second to highest setting, which will cause you to miss a lot of gas leaks. So I actually gotta say, I'm pretty happy with the forensics I am pretty happy with the forensics leak detector, surprisingly, even though the first one that I got was broken, and I will include a picture of that as well. Broken right out of the box, and it wasn't from shipping, because the shipping box was in perfect shape.